Hello everyone. Today we will be creating a pen app on Scratch. So first thing we want to do is we're going to go to the pen extension, and click pen here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to delete this Scratch Cat Spray. Sorry, Scratchy. Then we're going to add paint. And you see this little dot right here? You see this little center thing right here? You just get to be adding. Do you see these 4 squares? What you're going to do is they're then going to make a circle. Click Shift. If you're using a desktop computer, click Shift to do this. Then resize the circle into the 4 squares and make sure it's centered. Okay, if you do that, now let's go to the next step. Next step is I'm going to start with the code. Call this mouse. Now we actually wanted to be showing, not just hide it, but show it, but we don't want it to be seen. So what we're going to do, instead of using this hide block, we do show set ghost effect 100. So it will look like it's not visible, but it's still, even though it's still on the show bar. And then forever, this should be going to our mouse pointer. Go to mouse pointer. So if I were to do this, then it's showing, and then it goes to my mouse pointer. Okay, next step. So you have the pen extension, right? So, one flag clicked. Forever, if else block. If mouse down, then what you're going to do is you're going to pen down. Also, it's going to be pen up. Pen up just means that the pen is going up, and pen down means the pen is going down in your drawing. So in this example, look. See? You made a basic painting app. Now you want to erase the entire thing when you're beginning, so now it just looks like a blank canvas every time we click the green flag. Like this. See? That's pretty good. So, you'll set the pen color. The next step we're going to do is we're going to set the pen color. So, set pen color to a slider. So, like, we're going to set the default pen color to this. And what we're going to do is we're next going to create a variable called color. So, delete this variable and make a new variable called color. Color or color picker. What we're going to do is we're next going to set this to like a slider. And the slide, there's a few colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, black, and white. Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, white, pink. That's 9 colors. That's 9 colors. So then this should be 1. Okay. So now every time we put a slider, now it's going to pick a color for us. So, 1 flag clicked. Forever. Then add 9 of these blocks. Now will each give us a color. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Then add 9 equals blocks, equals operators. Okay, next step. Move all of this color picker into this. And then we're going to set each color to this random color. So Good. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now what we're going to do is each time we select one, it's going to give us a color. So if it's 1, then this is going to be red. If it is 2, then it's going to be selected as orange. If it's 3, then it's going to be selected as yellow. If it's 4, then it's going to be selected as green. If it's 5, then it's going to be selected as blue. So look at it. Yeah, that looks better, like blue. If that's 6, then it's going to set it to purple or violet. If it's 7, then it's going to set it to pink. If it's 8, then it sets it to... Actually, you can't really see white in this background, so I want to add one more color. I think of a good color. Sky blue. Sky blue now. Sky blue looks very much like it. Good. Now let's see if this works. Let's see, 8. 8 is pink, exactly like how I selected it. Let's see, 9. 9 looks very good, like the yellow, and I mean black. 3 looks like a good yellow. 2 looks like a good orange. 1 looks like a good red. 4 looks like a good green. 5 looks like a very good sky blue. 6 looks like a very good blue. 7 looks like a very good purple. And so on, so on, so on. Good. Now, last thing I want to add is you can make the size of the brush. So to make the size of the brush, what you're going to do is you're first going to do when flag clicked. What you're going to do next, you're going to make a new variable called size of brush. Good. Okay. Set forever. Set the pen size to the size of the brush. You can see here. And then change this to a slider mode. And now every time you slide it, it's going to have a different size. No, it should be a forever loop. Forever loop. Put it in a forever loop. Yeah, that's better. Whoa, that's a very good big size. That's very big size. Let me select a different color. Black. Very good size. Very good size. So, that looks very good. So, I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll give you more tutorials in the next video. So, hopefully you subscribe. You don't have to, but it's fine. So, bye! I'll see you later.